Okay, we use modulars here, and when I save my file I get 0 pixel here. So let me just change this value to 5 and save. Just a minute. Save this. Okay, there was a problem, but let me check it out and see what could be. Okay, the problem is that it can't read these values here on num1 and num2, so I've just used the 5 and 2 here, and when we check it out we see 1 pixel. So when I change this to like 7, when I save, still 1 pixel. When I try, I just want to get another figure, so let's save that. We get 0 pixel. So when we use 5 modulus of 5 2, we get 1 pixel. So guys, this is how you use arithmetic numerical operations in scss or sass. So I'm going to go to comparison. In addition to the comparison for equality that's valid for all data types, sass scripts also support comparing two values like the equal and not equal. All these return boolean values. So when we use greater than and less than, or greater or equals to, or less than or equals to in our numeric operations, it's almost like boolean. It will return whether it's true or false. So I'll just use these operators which I'm writing here. So the first thing we're going to use less than or equals to. So when we use less than or equals to, we're just going to do num1 less than or equals to num2. So when we save it, we check our update.css, we get boolean return is false, since this value 2 5 is not less than or equals to 2. And when we change these here to greater than and we save our file, we get to true boolean, because 5 is greater than but not equals to. So this is like or is equals to. If it was 2 here, we'll still get the same value, true. So I'll just return this to 5. When we get like less than 5 is less than num2 and we save. Okay, what's the problem? Okay guys, the problem was my terminal. I just restarted my terminal here with the node-sass watch, and it's working perfectly. So as you can see, it's giving us a false value since this num1 is not less than 2. When we change this number here to 1, it will give us true because num1 is less than 2. When we change these to greater and save, okay, it is done again. Let me just start again my node-sass. I don't know what's the problem with this. I'll just write npm run. So I'll just do this. When I save it again, okay, as you can see, it has read the file again. So when we come here, it's giving us a false because num1 is not greater than that. So guys, these all about SAS, numeric operations in SAS. So we've covered all this here. So the next tutorial I'm going to do is about string operations, and that's simple. So guys, thank you for watching and hope to see you in the other videos.